Hello and welcome to Manicus. Today I have a little brownie or chocolate cake recipe for you. Let's start by melting 100 grams of dark chocolate and the same amount of butter or any vegetable fat for the lactose-free version. Put in a water bath on the stove over medium heat. Proceed with 125 grams of each ground almonds and powdered sugar. You can blend them together or to make it finer and a smoother mouth feeling, or you can just use them like this. Add 7 grams of cocoa. Separate 3 eggs, the egg white in a clean bowl and the egg yolk together with the almonds. When the chocolate is molten, give it a quick stir and mix everything together. The recipe is for a 26 cm round form. Grease out your baking tin and coat it with sugar. You don't have to go full up because we make the brownies pretty flat. You can make them in any shape and size you like and even a big cake. Whip your egg white until it's stiff, divide it in 3 parts and gently fold one after another on the mixture. Pour it into the baking tin and put it into the preheated oven. We bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Before you take it out of the oven, control the cake by gently pressing on it or poking it with a wooden spike. When it's ready, take it out of the form on a cake rack. The form should come off very easy if you didn't make the same mistake as I did. Make sure you use your baking tin the right way around. Use the smooth side and not the one with edges. Let your brownies cool completely and decorate it with some powdered sugar, cocoa and almonds. I'm pretty sure yours will look better than mine. I was a little bit in a hurry. Sorry, Uwu. Let's proceed to the taste test.
Buono!
You've heard this guy. See you, love you all. Ciao, cacao. Bye bye.